So I really can't tell you guys how frustrated I am that my audio was not recorded. I'm talking to the camera and I'm having a great conversation with you guys. I am telling you that I'm on the way to go pick up my birthday cakes for my sister and I from my best friend. She was kind enough to go get them for my sister and I while we got our makeup done. And so I'm sharing with you, like, look at this beat, right? Shout out to Beat by Mo. She hooked me and my sister up. The makeup was amazing. If you're in Metro Detroit, you'll definitely want to check her out. But also in this video, I am talking about the reality of turning 40. So if y'all ever wanted to know how old I was, I'm 40. Okay. As of the beginning of March. And so I am blessed that I have made it to this age, because there are people who I grew up with who died well before even this age. And I am grateful that overall I am a healthy person. I am grateful that God has given me a built-in friend to do life with, my twin sister. And I'm grateful that I'm 40. So, as dreadful as this day had been for years, right? I never looked forward to getting this old, and I thought 40 was old. But when I sit back and I think about the alternative, I am blessed. My sister and I are blessed. It is a blessing to be able to age. And so I think I have a new perspective and a new outlook on what aging actually means. Although, and I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate, that you have these goals, these dreams set for yourself, and you put a time limit on when they're supposed to happen. And when they don't, it can be heartbreaking. It can be disappointing. It can downright be discouraging. But at the end of the day, the more that I keep living, and I hate to go to church on y'all, but the more that I keep living, the more I understand that my steps are ordered by God, right? The things that take place in my life happen when they're supposed to take place. And there's nothing I can do about rushing that, whether it be career, whether it be friendships, whether it be relationships, whether it be financial goals. No matter what it is, my only thing that I can control is what I do on a day-to-day basis. And I'm not going to sit and wallow in sorrow. I am not going to regret. I am not going to feel as though I lack, because I don't. At the end of the day, God has been good to me. And that's all I can say. God has been good to me with health, with family, with life. And so I am grateful. And so turning 40 is a blessing. Turning 40 makes me even more motivated to continue to do the things that I've been doing, right? To fill my life with learning and educating you guys and teaching and trying to get better and impact more people. So there's nothing really that I can complain about at all. What I also talked about in this video, like, I have no idea why the sound did not come through. And I'm sure it's irritating you guys that my mouth doesn't match the words that you're hearing right now. But understand, I was on some good stuff on Saturday. I was talking good, right? But I talked about a little bit about, like, my trading journey, right? When I got started in this space, it was September 2017. And I was talking about how much I've grown over the years, right? And when I first started, this skill set seemed impossible. It was daunting. I couldn't put two and two together. I was working full time. I was going to school. I was trying to figure out, how can I fit this in my lifestyle? And it was something that I decided that no matter what, I was never giving up. I was never going to give up on it, because if I stuck with it, what would that look like, right? I know what it looks like when I go to work every day. I know what that paycheck's going to say twice a month, right? There's nothing, no amount of effort I can put in above what's required on my job to get anything extra. However, with trading, that's a whole different look, right? It's unlimited potential. Y'all hear me? Like, it's unlimited potential. Nobody can stop me from earning and writing my own check. In trading. At the job, they can, right? Any side hustle, DoorDash, whatever it is that we do, in order to make ends meet, there's a cap if it's going to be somebody else paying you. If you learn this skill set, you can print your own money. That's what I want y'all to get to understand. So it never was for me about how long is this going to take? I'm ready to make money now. Oh my God, this is not going anywhere. I was relatively young when I got started in this space. I'm relatively young now, and it only is getting better and better and better. Where I am in the charts now doesn't compare to where I was 7 years ago, right? And so as I continue this journey, I keep in mind, I'm printing my own money. I could pull up a chart, I could slice it, I could dice it, I could tell y'all what's going on. And if I continue to study, if I continue to sharpen this skill set, if I continue to invest in myself, invest in education, see, what y'all don't know is I spend money on books, right? I spend money on training. I spend money so that I can learn everything possible under the sun. I don't know everything. I know enough to be profitable, right? But I want to learn as much as I can learn in order to not only help myself, but to share with y'all too, right? So all of that to say, please, 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 if you have committed yourself to learn this skill set, stick with it, okay? Please stick with it. I don't know how else to tell y'all, and I probably sound like I'm yelling. I'm not. I am just very passionate because I know in the end, if you put in the work, if you put in the effort, if you find good information that resonates with you and makes sense for you and you're seeing growth from it, you will see the other side. You will see the other side of this. Okay, so that's my spiel on trading. But let me get back to this party that we had this weekend, okay? This party was awesome, right? It was amazing. I was so happy to be able to support Black business owners in Detroit. And that's nothing against white business owners. Please don't, try that. I love to be able to support my people when I can. And so we had Chef Hightower, who did the food for us.
How you doing? So my name is Jamel Hightower, Hightower Catering, and today we are here servicing a 40th birthday party. You're going to walk through the line, and then I'm going to give you a little bit about it. So today we got some small plate items. We have grilled mashed potato salmon shooters. We have garlic mashed potato and chicken shooters. We got meatballs. We got rotel. We got smoked wings. We have pasta salad cups, and then we have charcuterie. So I have a full service catering business, and I also have a product line seasoning. You can follow me and reach me at Hightower Catering on Instagram, Hightower Catering on Facebook, and that's also my website. Have a nice day.
And then we had DJ Lorenzo Darnell, who gave us the vibes and the music.
Going on, I am Lorenzo. He and Kaci's cousin celebrating their birthday. The DJ for the day, for the evening. I do DJ. You can catch me on Instagram, DJ Lorenzo Darnell, my first and middle name. And we're here to celebrate. They turned into big 4-0, so it's a very special day. We're going to have a good time. I'm going to try to make it live. And it is what it is, Happy birthday. They got me some of this. Boy, already. Ain't even nobody here yet. I'm born one, so happy birthday.
And then we had Terry's Cakes on the east side of Detroit. Shout out to District 4. Those cakes were amazing. We had cookies and cream and vanilla pudding. And then the space that the venue was in is Black owned, right? There's a developer in a city that sits just outside of Detroit who bought the building, renovated the space, and when I tell you it's beautiful, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's gorgeous. So this weekend was more about just me and my sister turning up, right? Celebrating life. It also allowed us the opportunity to support Black business owners in Detroit. I think I also talked about just the ecosystem of Detroit, how amazing it is for entrepreneurs. I don't know what that looks like in the future, given the climate that we're in, but Detroit is like no other place for small business owners. And so it's pretty dope. I was excited, y'all. I was really excited. Things turned out really good. My friends came. We got to play some games. We got to spend time, fellowship, just kick it, right? It was so dope. It was so dope. So, anyhow, I'm sorry. I don't know why. I don't know why the audio didn't come through. I wanted y'all to hear every single word of what I was saying because it truly was impactful. But I think that I've encompassed most of it in this talk here, in this voiceover. But I promise you the next vlog style video that I do, I will make sure that the audio is working. So it's the calm after the storm. This weekend was amazing. I got to hang out with family and friends, all of that good stuff. The last time that you guys saw me, I was going to pick up my birthday cakes from my best friend, and we had a time. I don't know how I'm going to edit it into this video, but it will make it into the video clips from the party. But I'm happy. Everybody keeps asking me, like, how does it feel to be 40? I wasn't going to tell y'all how old I was, but it feels the same as 39. Understanding how life works, it just motivates me to want to make sure that I check off everything that is on my goal list, everything that is on my bucket list. So if nothing else, it is moving me to live more intentionally and to be more aggressive in the goals, hopes, and dreams that I do have. So anyway, I appreciate you guys for watching this video. If you like this vlog style, now I'm not a vlogger, so I'm learning how to do this, but if you like this vlog style, you want to come along with me more throughout my days and what I do, I need you to let me know in the comments. So make sure you like the video, make sure you tell me in the comments if you like this, and then consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.